If you started learning n8n, you probably ask yourself, should I use n8n Cloud or host it myself? Today we'll go over the pros and cons and what free really means before you spend hours setting things with n8n. What self-hosting actually means. n8n Cloud and self-host are the same software. The difference is who runs the server. With cloud version, n8n runs it for you. With self-hosting, you rent your own little computer in the cloud, just like I made a video how to self-host with Render. It's like you renting your own small apartment instead of staying in a hotel. So when you rent, you take care of your place, and when you go to a hotel, other people do it for you. That's why you pay the higher price. Now, what are the pros of self-hosting? First, no monthly fee. Second, no plan limits. Third, build unlimited workflow. And fourth, full control. You can experiment as much as you want. Render gives you the computer a small free container where you can install n8n. And what you can do is build unlimited automations and test your ideas for your business. So it's basically like beginner level learning how to build automations. But I would not recommend if you are serving other businesses or helping your business automate things. So basically, it's a great way to explore how things work for free. When we say free, this is the reality. First, uptime goes to sleep after 15 minutes. Second, speed. Webhooks stop working. Third, no backups. You have to do your own backups. And fourth, security. You manage your own credentials and updates. So yes, it's free, but you're trading money for time. People love self-hosting because it gives them sense of ownership. And then you can modify and personalize your setup. But I think for most people, what we're trying to do is free up our time and be more productive. So when we're building automations and workflow, even for ourselves or small businesses, for me, number one thing is like how much time I would take to build each automation. So the faster, the better. And the setup has to be my least problem. Therefore, I choose to host on n8n Cloud. Maybe in the future, if you have a business or if you build a business and have a client who wants privacy and self-hosted version, and then you build it the right way, maybe you can use this version for privacy. But if you're just starting to building your first workflows, go ahead and test the self-hosting. I made a video how to do it, how to do free NA automations using Render. Go ahead, start playing around, build your automations for free. And once you feel confident, you can move to the cloud version. It's great to learn. Maybe you like it. Maybe this is a tool for you or not. But you gotta start from somewhere. I highly recommend moving to NAA paid version because this will save you a lot of time. And if you're interested in some free automations we recently built, such as Analyze Your Website, AI email reply agent, or keyword idea agent, you can grab them, link below in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.